So I'm Graham Anderson. I'm with Shift Delivery Co-op in Vancouver. On my travels here, I spilled a cup of tea on my laptop, and so I don't have a presentation. But it's great coming after Jake. Carrot Cash was actually the first group that offered us any sort of funding to get started as a worker co-op. So that's they've reached even all the way out to the West Coast to give us a hand, which is great. So our co-op came together in 2011. We've been operating for 2 years now. A group of students basically coming together with shared values about creating a new green business model and doing it in a socially just way, which we chose the co-op model, the worker co-op model, to achieve that. We came together, we generated an idea to replace trucks and van trips in downtown Vancouver with heavy duty cargo tricycles, and I understand that LV will have some pictures of those in his slides in a few minutes. So our basic business model is to offer goods delivery service, partnering with regular business clients that are moving dry cleaning, office supplies, or mostly food products in downtown Vancouver, offering advertising as a supplementary revenue stream, and then also doing some promotional work starting this year. So 3 parts to our business model. To date, we've done 25,000 deliveries and replaced or eliminated about 20,000 kilograms or 20 tons of carbon dioxide. So we're hitting pretty strongly on the green side of our mission. And we have about 10 employees, many part-time, and 4 members. So our challenges so far have been in the areas just with the technology itself, and that it's innovative and that we are developing and refining it quite a bit. There's been hurdles to overcome in terms of operating, maintaining the trikes, and keeping everything going smoothly on the road. That's been a process. There's been a pretty steep learning curve, and we're getting to a point now where things are running generally pretty smoothly, and we're about to move into our 3rd generation with a trike purchase this winter. So our 3rd generation of trikes out there. We've had both benefits and challenges out of being a worker co-op. The benefits have been just the way that it's brought us together and offered, there's the statistics about worker co-ops really, or cooperatives generally, having better survival rates than conventional businesses, and we can definitely attest to that. Over the past couple of years when things have been very challenging, it's been our sort of core commitment to each other and the commitment to work on this project together and make it successful that has held it together. And I actually think that had we been a more conventional business, we would not have necessarily made it to this point. However, we have had a bit of a gap. So there was the group of founders. There was a couple members that came on very early that were super engaged, and we all took on sort of management type roles. But increasingly, as we've continued to grow, we've been hiring more part-time folks to do the delivery work, and there's a bit of a gap there. Some of those folks haven't been able to sign up in our current structures as members, so we need to find a way to work with them, and I think it may actually involve some adjustments to our model and learning from folks probably like Big Carrot as well, some of the more experienced co-ops here. And in terms of our future, we're expanding this winter, expanding our fleet, looking at adding refrigerated tricycles and growing into that market. We see that as a big opportunity, or at least temperature controlled trikes, and establishing a warehouse so that we can serve clients coming from anywhere. Currently, we're restricted to clients just in the local area near downtown, and eventually maybe outside of Vancouver as well, ideally with other worker co-ops. Thank you.